Took out the last of the big storms. Well, no, maybe there's one on the second floor. So I thought I'd give you a closer look at this. Here's the narrow side. So you push it into the deeper side when you want to take it out. And what it is, if we flip this up here, you have your little pins here, which sometimes get really bent, so you have to take a pair of pliers and straighten them out. It's all aluminum. And here is the, all right, here we go. There's the pin. And then you see this little spring here, so that pushes down, and then you put in the top side, and then it springs back. So we got them all out now. Now I'm going to brush everything off, get it as clean as I can with a brush, and then we'll scrape and prime and start painting this up. Now we do not paint these. What we're going to do is straighten all the pins, a little WD-40, get all the dirt off, brush off the window really good, and then later on we'll clean the window before we put them back.